Hi. His name's Brandon. My name's Bryce. We're gonna have a big war today. He's gonna be using a big machine gun, and these are the other guns we're gonna be using. Some of them are tiny. Oh, and this gun out here. It's not very good, but it's just a tiny pistol. So, let's get started. Wait, go in your base. Go in your base. Alright, he's gonna be going in. I'm looking for the super villain. He's evil. I'm gonna find him. Oh, this is gonna be easy. Hunting down the villain. Wow! You're down. Die! I killed one of his soldiers with this. I have to reload. 30. Another soldier! Get up! I think I see a soldier. He's getting up. Gonna have to bring out the rifle. M1 rifle. I'm 8 years old, he's 3. It's almost my birthday. July 1st, I forget when his birthday is. Where's that other soldier? Hey,